Alice, and we're going to be making strawberries with whipped cream today. Your ingredients will be heavy whipped cream, strawberries, and maple syrup. First step is washing the strawberries. After you wash them, you put them in this bowl. It drains on the other side. Since you have washed your strawberries, now you will pluck it out with this. You pluck it in, you twist it, and there you go, it's out. There's your first strawberry. Now you have to cut it. Put your hands safely like this. Cut the strawberry in half. Then take the half, put your hands like you positioned them the first time. You cut them, and now you cut it in the second half. And there you go. You put it in your bowl. Now it's time for whipping the cream. You take a heavy whipping cream, you open it, and you only put half a cup. Because when you put half a cup, it will go up to 1.5 cups. You pour a little bit. There we go. Now make sure to close the top, because then it will smell bad. Now it's time for whipping. You take an electric whipper and you start whipping. Make sure to hold the bowl tight. Now when you see it's pretty heavy, you add a little bit of maple syrup. Just a spoon. Be careful, it can spill. Oopsies, it did spill. Now you pour it in. And you keep mixing. Now, when you see it's pretty heavy, you take this off. When the cream stands up on its own, it means it's ready. Take all the cream out, make sure. Now, I will wash this later. Now, we take a spoon and we put it in the strawberries. And there you are, with a pretty messy but tasteful strawberries with whipped cream.